welcome. In this session we will look at about the MRP live. So this is the MRP live screen. MD01N is the transaction for the MRP live. In S4 Hana, MRP live can be utilized. So we have three sections here. One is the planning scope, where we can enter our plant, material, product group, MRP controllers, and in case if you wanted to enter the all materials or only MRP materials or MPS materials based on the MRP type that you have entered there, and what all additional to the planning scope materials, what all needs to be included is what given in this section, whether the change BOM components or all BOM components, and stock transfer materials. That means if it has a stock transfer, if it has a supplying plant, whether I have to plan it in that plant also, and then whether it has to be regenerative planning or it's a normal planning, and how we wanted to have our scheduling, like we used to have our basic dates or lead time scheduling. So that is also done here. And what do you want to name the performance log part, and also the output material list, whether you wanted to give it or not. When we execute this, system is going to do it's asking, okay, to run against regional. I'm giving it as a yes. Maybe I have already just now run the MRP live. So now you can see here system is planning the details here. Okay, so these are the tabs that comes along with our MRP live, in the sense like you have MRP level, stock requirement list, material with message, material list, etc. and all. So now in case if you want to see what are the levels it has planned in, we have to select this. You can see here what all it has happened across. You know how much it has been planned for advanced planning, live on Hana preparation, how much time it has taken, MRP live on Hana. So in case if it has created any items and all, we will get all the details here. So how much time it has taken, how much time it has consumed to do that, all these things has been displayed here. These are all in seconds actually. Okay, so this is about the performance logs for the MRP. Now in case if you wanted to know the stock requirements list, okay, what all materials it has planned across, and here also you can see here it has details, how many materials are planned, how many it is failed. Okay, MRP on Hana, how much it has planned, how much PPDS material, and whether it has failed or passed, how much time it has taken in Hana, and if there is anything that is planned on Hana classic MRP. So that details, all those details are also have, this particular screen has all those details. Okay, if you want to look at the stock requirements list, then we can look at the stock requirement list, saying about what are all the materials planned here. Okay, and is there any, what is the status of them, and I want to leave the overview. And if you want to see the materials with messages, if there are any, you can see here. So it also says some messages. Okay, I'm not going in detail because there can be multiple things, but then what this will help you to do is it will help you to navigate to solve the issue. So if you here it's saying there is no standard solution. In case if you go and change this, then you can see here whether you have to. So if you say okay, sometimes some reorder level plan would have come, so it will say okay, select for classic MRP. So I can go here, it will say okay, it has selected for classic MRP. If I say okay, I will deselect it from here, I can deselect it. Sometimes okay, if you can accept this, if this issue is there, then we can even save this one. Okay, so the data is saved so that it prevents to keep informing about this issue. So this is what it will help when you go into the material list, in the materials with messages tab, where we can go and look at that. Now you can see since we have solved the issue, there is no issue that is coming up. Okay, and then here again, if you wanted to have all steps what has performed, then you can see them here. So these are quick level of details that we can look for an MRP.